The 1969 Ferrari 246 Dino L-Series chassis number 00436 is a masterpiece of automotive history. Originally finished in the striking Rosso Dino color, this car was a showstopper at the 1969 International Motor Show in Frankfurt. With its Nero interior trim featuring orange inserts, this Dino is as stunning on the inside as it is on the outside. Engine rebuild. The heart of the Dino, its 2.4-liter V6 engine, was fully rebuilt in Bell Sport and Classic's purpose-built engine shop. The engine was dyno tested and run in on the bench ahead of fitting to ensure perfect performance. After installation, the engine was re-dynoed on a rolling road and tuned to make the exact stock 191 brake horsepower on stock jets. The body underwent extensive restoration to remove all imperfections. A multi-tone paint process was employed, starting with the correct gray primer, followed by a Rosso Corsa undercoat, and finally the Rosso Dino topcoat. This process ensures that the rare and desirable Rosso Dino color is shown most effectively. Interior restoration. The interior of the Dino was restored to its original specification, featuring Nero leather with orange inserts. The attention to detail in the interior restoration is evident, with every element meticulously crafted to match the original design.